Islamabad is a city at the foot of Margala that has no precedent in all of Pakistan. Very few people will know that the old name of Islamabad was Rajshahi. Of course, this city is beautiful. What makes it attractive is its openness. Its bright mornings and quiet evenings come from the heights of Margala. The luxurious glass shops and the lovely people peeking inside these shops make this city the second most beautiful capital in the world. Someone has said very well that cities like Islamabad are settling. That is, they are fixed only by settling down. So, like the video before the discussion and also subscribe to the channel. It is the only city in Pakistan that has been building under a plan. The city embraces the whole of Pakistan in its heart. Here are all the houses of power, how to run the country. All the decisions are made here. Only the people here can tell that this city is a symbol of peace. Once the person has his heart set on it, he cannot live anywhere else. History and culture are alive in Islamabad. Even before the establishment of the capital, the city was alive and well. Since many Buddhist relics have been discovering here, important people inhabited the town and the focus was on decisions. Also, the old settlement of Saidpur is at the foot of Margala, which was a Hindu settlement in the past. In 1960, it shifted the capital from Karachi to Islamabad. There is a folk heritage museum near Shakkarpariya Road. The museum is a manifestation of Pakistan's history and culture, and the museum pays homage to the living cultures and traditions of Pakistan. The museum opened its door to the public in 1974, and the museum consists of several buildings and exteriors. Pakistan's cultural heritage reflects various cultural objects, including sculptures, paintings, poetry, music, and textile work by different ethnic groups in Pakistan. The government has now modernized the village and transformed it into a modern town with numerous restaurants and shops. If you want to spend the day with music, culture and good scenery, Saidpur village Islamabad is your place to stay. If you are looking for places to visit in Islamabad at night, give preference to this village. Interestingly, there are many places to see in Islamabad, and Shahullah Datta Cave is one. It is a great place to visit in Islamabad. Shahullah Datta Cave is a historical site located at the foot of Margala. As for the caves, historians claim that they are more than 2400 years old. These caves are relics of the Buddhist era, the Aurangzeb era and the Hindu era. If you want to enjoy the sunset in Islamabad, try this place. Currently, the caves have been turning into an excellent relaxing place where people come to enjoy cakes and tea, gossip and listen to music. Make your evenings beautiful. The Faisal Mosque, a manifestation of modern architecture, is also located at the foot of Margala. It is one of the largest mosques in Asia, exemplifying the state's state-of-the-art structure and design. This mosque has a capacity of 1 lakh people, and it is a gift from the King of Saudi Arabia, Shah Faisal, who came to Islamabad. If one does not see the Faisal Mosque, he feels his stay in Islamabad is incomplete. The atmosphere of Faisal Mosque is soulful, and there is a bazaar of tranquility and contentment. Apart from luxury malls and shopping centers, there is a good amount of local markets in Islamabad, like the Srinagar Highway. Some areas of Islamabad have weekly bazaars where you can easily find fresh fruits, vegetables, clothes, shoes, used items and much more at very affordable prices. Supermarket, Jinnah Supermarket and Karachi Company are the famous markets of Islamabad where daily necessities can be easily purchased. The people of Islamabad are very cheerful and loving. Let's say welcome to the winds. Dear friends, all you have to say about this video today is to express your valuable opinion in the comments box. To watch more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to watch a video about one country or city from all over the world, let us know so that my team and I can reach out to you.